Video raining. We are at Lincoln's tomb and it is raining like crazy. I don't know if I can. Too much.
Just 4 days after receiving the doctor's diagnosis, Jim Penny packed up his bags, left family and friends behind, and boarded a train west to Colorado.
That all looks scary to me.
Penny arrived at Denver's Union Station in June of 1897, began looking for work. He was 21, small town boy in a big city. Decided to seek a friendlier place to work. He joined another store on Laramie Street, but soon discovered that goods weren't marked with set prices.
Today we have an excessive heat warning and it is uncomfortable here, so I don't know how long we'll stay, but lots of interesting buildings for sure. Fort Scot. There was a cavalry here, so this is the stable for the horses. Interesting pitchforks, you say? Hey, this wagon has coal, tray here, and I hear a bugle. You hear that?
I do hear that.
This is the laundry room. How many women do you think were here, James, with the men?
I don't know.
Seems to be well kept, this one. It's not rusty. The steps here are elevated. So he told me that there's an elevated walkway here because this is officer quarters. So with the officer quarters, you have the elevated walkway to show status. I'm assuming the rest of this would have just been mud, dirt.
I have higher status than you now.
James is an officer. I'm just a soldier. What were you going to say?
This one's a little more fancy.
Yeah. So it looks like you can go upstairs again. We'll go check out the third floor before we do that. Looks like they played games. Maybe. Or cheesy. I don't know. Let's go upstairs. What do you think they used for fire extinguishing back then?
Oh.
Is that just a closet room?
Yeah.
Bedroom here. That squeak was kind of scary. This room looks nice. The bed looks comfy, maybe short. Nice furniture for the officers. Is that another closet?
Yeah.
We have been joined by the girls. Hello, the girls. How are you?
Hello there.
This is an ambulance. Multiple levels here. It's called the tripler. I don't know. I see a double. But interesting, yeah.
I have a treat.
The backyards are where the women would stay, huh, Ella?
Yeah, if we grew up, that would probably be me. This is the brown hair.
That would be you, the one in the middle.